We do a pre-trip and a post-trip on all of our vehicles. Right now I'm looking at the plow to make sure that there's nothing damaged or broken. I've got my indicating flags right here in the front that kind of let me know where the edges of the plow are. So this is our snow book for this truck. It does have all of our zones in it. That way, if I were to be tasked to go plow Venatucci for Walmart, I would be able to know which ones I have to do in that certain area. If I'm going slow down the road, there's so many things I'm worried about, vehicles, mailboxes, where's the snow gonna go? Is there a hill, is there a set of railroad tracks? So the driver has a lot of responsibility. And when a vehicle wants to pass them or right behind them, you know, as the spinner is going and I wanna release the salt sand, if they're too close, it's gonna get on the vehicle. Now it could be reported and called in, so it's maintain a safe traveling distance away from those plows. It's the goal to move the snow all in one movement, keeping the plow maintaining, especially with heavy wet snow right now. It's just to move it in a safe area. This is usually where the school buses and folks come to pick their kids up. So I want to get as much snow out of the area. If I want to go up here and I had bushes like at that other intersection I can't see, if I try to get out there too far, now I've got the plow sticking out. Everything you're trying to balance when you're behind here. You're utilizing all these resources. So the tree lines, the fence line, the water marker, all these tools that are around you to let you know, yep, I'm where I should be, or no, I shouldn't be.
Are these the fun days for you, Carl, or are these?
It is.
The
it
tough
is.
days?
This is the best. I love this. I get so excited. I don't even think about eating at lunch or anything, because if last time I got 15 streets clean, today it's 18. 20 streets. I want even more. So I love it. By having the good vehicles, staying safe. Now that we have better visibility, you can get a lot done, and that's my goal. I love the snow. I love to be on it. Snowmobiling, skiing is where my heart is at. Yeah, I can't get enough of the winter gold. I have a blast plowing. It's fun. It's so much fun. And it's the customer service you're providing.